No, shut up, Rory. Good evening, everyone. George here. Hope you're all well. Just a bit of a news from the shed video. I normally do these on a Sunday evening when I'm out here. So again, as you know, I made big changes here over the last couple of months. So just finally getting things nailed down to where they need to be. So some more shelves for all me bits and bobs. It's quite handy. And we organised some more light. I bought these in Aldi, or was it Lidl? I can't remember. A while back. When I'm outside working on the car, and I said to him, maybe I can dual purpose these things. So what I did was, I just made this very simple little wooden rack, and it goes into the slot on the extruded aluminium here, and it's just held on the screw. Like, the lights just sit on it, and one plugs into the other, and they're plugged in up there in the ceiling, so I didn't bother switches or any of that carry on. And the light is absolutely phenomenal, because you can't have enough light at this carry on. And it's right over the centre of the bench where I spend, like, even the floor, look, it's mental, it's absolutely crazy. So some stuff for the dump, and I got my little clock up and running that hadn't been working for a while. That's the very first thing I had a go at making it, one of those Velman kits. Must be 20 years ago now or more, I don't know. But keeps great time, never misses a minute. So yeah, quite pleased. All my cases are all up here now in this crate. A bit of weight in that, so put a bit of a jack chain on it there just to hold it, give it that little bit extra support. And still a load of shit on top of the toolbox here to sort out. And in behind it, I have to strip those pallets, get that out of the way. And the new toolbox, I don't think that's going to happen until next year. I just don't have the time at the moment. I'm too busy with what I have going on here and what's going on, what I have to do with the car, yada yada yada. I just don't have time to be making a toolbox in the middle of all that. So bench is wreck as usual, but I'm quite pleased with this now. The light is very, very good, I have to say. That should make a big difference, because what I was finding was, with the other ones, I was, you know, you'd be here looking at inside in a radio or something like that, and you were having to, you know, go in with the torch. So hopefully that should sort that out. By me mains voltage meter as well. Just all these little bits and pieces I had lying around the place to, you know, stuff I like to have. So yeah, we're quite happy now. Everything is going good. All my washing from after doing the car, have to get all that lot washed. My drying towels are hanging up as well. Once I get them dry, I bag them. When they're bone dry, I'll bag them in the poly bags and put them away. You have to poly bag everything, because, you know, there's a lot of sawdust and dirt and crap out here, so you have to kind of be prepared for that if you don't want your stuff destroyed. So other than that, now nothing much else to say. Back to work tomorrow, and I've had a few days off, so I don't mind going back. And I gotta go in now. I'll upload this and I'll jump in the shower and go and chill out for a while. So hope everyone had a nice weekend. Weather wasn't too bad here, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Stay safe, be good to one another. All the best, bye bye.